Just got in from a long day of shopping. Just kidding. I'm at home in my house. Hi, I'm Carolyn from Anthropologie. I'm the creative director. A lot of my neighbors have bought a lot of bulk supplies of things, and they have sanitizers and things, but it's big and cumbersome. And so I want to make them little packages that they can pick up and take with them to the store so that they have everything in one place all at hand. And I'm going to be using our new spring bag as part of our inspiration today. Here we go. Take your dishcloth, lay it flat, and you're gonna fold this end, and then you're gonna fold this end, and then you're gonna fold up the little flap and then fold again. You have a little pocket, and then here's your envelope flap. Okay, so we're ready to paint some ribbon. I'm using our spring bag done by the beautiful and talented Claire Desjardins as my inspiration for my color palette. So all you do is just start markering on the ribbon, going with the grain of the ribbon. It's really easy, you can't mess up. Just keep blending in your colors. You can go back through again and add more color onto other colors so they get deeper and richer. Here are the final ribbons, bright and cheerful. We're gonna take our gloves, our spray, our sanitizing wipe, and our Lysol. Put them all in there, make sure it's tight, and then fold the flap closed. Turn it over, put your ribbon here, flip it over, and then you're gonna tie your bow. As simple as can be. We're just gonna make a little tag to go on it. I'm just going to cut a nice square for it, leaving some of the little pattern on the side. Let's write a little message for them. Take care, love, Carolyn. Then you take that and you pop it in there and we're ready to go. So here I am at my friend Linda's house. Today is her birthday, so I brought her some fresh flowers from my garden and a take care package for the next time she goes to the store. So I hope you enjoyed today. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you. So you know, at the end of a how-to, everybody's like, yay, sun. Well, I'm gonna show you what the mess looks like. Ah! And why is there a canoe in there? I have no idea where that even came from. Take care, everyone.